Hi everyone, welcome to Caketastic Cakes. It's Jen. I'm back. I'm going to show you something different today. I'm going to show you how to make these lovely shotgun shells, but this is out of polymer clay, not gum paste. Hopefully you'll still like and subscribe even though I'm trying something a little different here. And here we go. Okay, so I got my red pieces. I made a bunch of bullets, but I'm just going to show you the steps to do one. These directions do cross over for gum paste. That's why I'm still going to include it and show you guys. As gum paste and polymer clay is pretty much very transferable one to the other. Okay, anyway, I made a cylinder as you can see here. It's red, it's clay. I rolled it so it's about 3/4 of an inch long, I want to say, or thick, thick, and about 3 inches long. So, about realistic shotgun shell size. The people who wanted these were avid hunters, I guess, and that's what they wanted, so that's what they got. Okay, you roll it, you press it down. I'm pinching off the edge, as you can see here, just to make the end a little sharper. Roll it again. Keep pressing it down against the glass or whatever surface you're working on until you got a nice smooth top. I'm using the back of my knife and I'm making little lines. I'm going to make 3 lines that go straight across the top of the bullet casing there. It's to give the look. Shotgun shells have all the little pellets inside, and the top, you load the shell and then the top gets folded down on top of it. That's the look I'm trying to go for here, like it's an actual loaded shotgun shell, not just an empty one. The yellow here is going to become the metal casing at the bottom. Roll it out so it's the same thickness as the red, because it helps if it matches up nicely. So roll them together if you need to. Just keep going until you get a nice thickness. Cut off, maybe again 3/4 of an inch, half an inch length there. When you cut it, you are going to lose the shape, so you're going to have to reshape it a bit. So press it, roll it, whatever. And when you get it back to a nice, smooth, round, even cylinder, press them together. If you're using gum paste, at this point you use a little bit of water to connect it. I was just double checking the size there. And now I'm adding gold paint to the yellow part. You can also see I added a little bottom cap to it. It was just a flat circle that I stuck on there. I'm sorry, I forgot to add it and I lost the footage. Anyway, if you're using gum paste, you're going to use an edible gold glitter or silver, whatever color casing you want to use. I'm using gold because that was the picture I found. This is just gold paint, shimmer paint. I'm using a black Sharpie, very high-tech equipment I deal with here, to make the little circle mark on the bottom. I have no clue what it's called. Again, if you're using gum paste, you want to use an edible food marker. This is polymer clay sealant. I already baked it in the oven. You want to bake it at 250 for every 1/4 inch of thickness. And that's it. They're really pretty basic. Hopefully you like and subscribe. Check out my other videos. I'll catch you next time. Bye!